Hello everyone, what's up? This is Sohail Rahman from I Love Travel. Welcome to another brand new video. So today's video about any guesses? Yes, you can guess now. Just see. Right now I'm in Sharjah. This is called Sharjah Corniche and is near the Dubai Mamzar beach. It's a Mamzar park also, and today's video is about jet ski. So in next few minutes I'll be start the ride. I actually come here for 30-minute ride. So it's cost, if you book online there will be only one amount, but if you cannot bargaining there. But if you're coming directly here, so you can bargaining, like you can reduce the price. As half an hour is becoming like 60 dirham to 75 dirham. Maybe sometime you will get on 50 dirham also for 30-minute ride, and more 1 hour. So I think is 1 hour it will be too much. So 30 minutes is enough. And I'm in right now in the spot. So only in the Dubai Sharjah side in Corniche you will get it cheaper. If you go to Dubai like Marina side, it will be too much. Its cost is half an hour 200 dirham. So it's better come to here. So this is like a small lake canal, and but this is connecting. This is one of the island. I think is Marian Island. Is in Sharjah. And there is a Dubai. It's a Dubai border. You can see the garden like plants. That is a park of the Mamzar Park. So it's exactly close to border. From here, start from here and see there is lots of that water bike. And if you're starting from here, so then you can go also to like almost Arab Sea. So if it's 30 minutes, so you cannot spend much time there. So let's start. Hey guys, I'm in the bike. Just see, started my ride. Woo! I hope you people are enjoying with me. It's too much here. আজকে বাতাসের স্পিড অনেক বেশি, so যার কারণে মানে ভয় লাগতেছে অনেক. I'm scared to speed up. So now I'm joining to the Arab Sea. I'm on the way to Arab Sea. Just look, I'm going to Arab Sea. Now when you come for ride, so be careful. If you meet any other bike, so it will be big penalty, and so you need to drive safely. So guys, this was the video, and just one more time, just see around the canal. The buildings, imarates are looking awesome. Okay, so behind of me also there is one more. This is not yet ready. So this was the video about the jet ski water bike. So I hope everybody enjoyed, and I want to show you the if you can come directly here, or you can book it on online. Directly if you're coming, so you can bargaining about the reduce the prices for 30 minutes, 1 hour. So it's like almost 15 stall is there. From there started and until there. I hope it's 15 or 16, something like that, the stall. So you can come directly here, or if you have a own car, so it's better. If you don't have a car, so you can come by taxi. But if you're from Dubai to Sharjah, if you're coming, so there will be 20 dirham extra border charge. Or if you stay in Sharjah, it's very easy to come. There will be no border charge, only how much is coming by, like taxi. That's the bill, the meter. So I hope everybody enjoyed. If you're not yet subscribed, please subscribe my channel, and don't forget to share with your friends, and tell me about the how was the video with the comments, and don't forget to like. So until next video, stay safe, stay healthy. ভালো থাকবেন সবাই। আশা করি আপনাদের কাছে ভিডিও ভালো লেগেছে। সো ভালো থাকবেন, ইনশাআল্লাহ দেখা হবে নেক্সট ভিডিওতে ভালো কোনো প্লেসে। সো ততক্ষণ পর্যন্ত আল্লাহ হাফেজ।